Happy New Year's, guys. And let's hope that this year will be better for the crypto market than the past year. And of course, I hope that everybody will make huge gains in this year. And I will do my best that we make a lot of profit here in the next coming 12 months together on this channel. And today we're going to talk again, of course, about Bitcoin, because I have found here in a really interesting bullish scenario for the immediate short term for Bitcoin, and will show you by the end of the video the exact targets where we might be heading here. And of course, guys, make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And now let's jump directly into the charts here. So here on the daily chart, what we can clearly see is that Bitcoin has now multiple times tried to break here $16,900 and could not manage to establish support above that level. But while we were always getting rejected, we were starting to form here a higher low trajectory. And the interesting part here is that it starts to look like a double bottom W-shaped pattern. So what does that mean? So when we have a W-shaped pattern, that means we have a reversal at the bottom, at the local bottom, of course. That's how you measure it, from top to the bottom, and then we put it to the potential breakout point. So this would bring Bitcoin to $17,580 ish if we can break $16,900. That is a trade that I'm looking right now at, that I'm definitely gonna take if we close a 4-hourly candle above $16,900. That's where I'm gonna open a trade, and I will of course notify you guys in my free Telegram group. The link is in the pinned comment below and in the description of the video. And guys, if you don't know on which exchange you should trade right now with all the turmoil that's still going on in the market, then go to BYBIT. BYBIT is still is for me one of the safest exchanges out there, also because they have proof of reserves and the highest deposit bonus available in the market, $30,000 absolutely for free. And only with my specific link, guys. Here BYBIT contacted me and said, yeah, make sure that they really click on your link so that you can get this bonus. And otherwise you can also go to Bitget. There it's $20,000 still, also only with my specific link, guys. Then let's go back here to the daily chart. So another reason why I believe that we could be here looking at an imminent breakout is also that the stochastic RSI has changed trajectory and is pointing here now highly to the upside, and we have a lot of room to go here actually higher and to reach the potential target here on the daily time frame. When I go here into the 4-hourly chart, there we see now a small correction because we have topped out here on the stochastic RSI, which is absolutely fine. And again, we were running here into this resistance level at $16,900. So we could potentially form here a cup and handle pattern. Sorry, I'm so bad at drawing this stuff. So that's how it will look like. So that means here the following candles, they will trade kind of like this and stay here in this handle shape pattern. And the end, when we come to the end of the handle, then we break here to the upside. So that is also a scenario that I'm watching closely right now here on the 4-hourly chart, as we have already here the rounding shape of the potential cup and handle pattern. And I have not seen anyone on YouTube right now, on crypto YouTube, talking about a potential cup and handle pattern in the making here on the 4-hourly chart. So remember, you have seen this and heard this first here on my channel, and let's see how this is going to play out here. So this will be of course invalidated if we go here under, let's say, $16,600 and we close the 4-hourly candle under that level. Then this is most likely invalidated, but other than that, if we go down here and go then up again, then it's absolutely fine, and we have our cup and handle shape pattern. Yeah, technical target for this one would be, let's have a look. Let's see the handle. Yeah, $17,000. So that is not so high, but it will help us to get to our target here with the W shape, because if we break over $17,000, we are exactly here in that range. and we could gain enough momentum to push here into higher price levels. So you see the charts, they're lining up here quite nicely together. If things are playing out as they are unfolding here on the chart right now, and yeah, we just have to be a little bit patient before we can pounce and make an amazing trade here. So I also want to talk about the long-term outlook for Bitcoin a little bit, because it's the beginning of the year. So here on the logarithmic growth curve, we see here this channel that Bitcoin, the logarithmic growth channel that Bitcoin was respecting here basically forever, since the inception of Bitcoins. And only here in that section we kind of flirted with the support line of that channel, where we were jumping rope above and under it for quite a long time. So, and then we only had another break to the downside basically here, and that was the Corona drop. And now we are again under this line, and quite longer than previously. So we have never been so long under the support line. So, and here you can see also multiple attempts to break above that line, which have failed. The last time at $21,000 approximately. So now it's at 23,000, let's say 24,000 if we want to break in the next 4 weeks above that level. I believe we have still to wait here a little bit before we see a massive move to the upside. So, but the move is coming. So I believe that around end of April this year, kind of like here, that there we will be back in that channel, and we will be close or above $30,000. So why do I believe that? When you go back and look on historical data, when the first signs of a new bull run emerged on the Bitcoin chart in comparison to the halving, then you saw that 1 year, approximately 1 year before the halving, Bitcoin started always to pick up, and also reached then the bottom, or had already reached the bottom. So I think this time it will be no different. History has always shown us that that history often rhymes, but doesn't have to play out in the same way. I really believe that around April, May, we could see Bitcoin back in that channel. So, and that means that Bitcoin has to be trading above at least $28,000, $29,000. So yeah, like I said, it was never different, and why it should be this time. You know, it would be insane if it would be this time different. Yeah, guys, let me know in the comments if you think also that these halving cycles still work and apply to the Bitcoin price, even with everything that's happening right now, and that also a year away from the halving, if you agree with that, let me know in the comments below. I would like to know what you guys think. And we are at the end of the video. Make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.